Yo, what's going on, y'all? Alex Jenkins checking in. In a trade till 5 o'clock, I did a sell on GU at for 4002 to stay below that. Right now, the market's at 39.61, so we got over 40 pips of movement here. About 82 contracts at 39.75, which is gonna be some heavy profits. Maybe I think $3,000 in profits. So things are looking pretty good. We can take a look at the chart. Look at what my entry was. My entry was up here. I was up here. I caught this candle moving down. I knew this trend is continue to move down. As you can see, the market's at 39.58. It broke support here. Broke support here, came back, tested support, and came back down. And right now, we're currently winning this trade. Right now, it's at 39.56 and going. So things are looking pretty good. I got 4 minutes left on this trade. I'm not gonna talk all the way through. I'm just gonna watch this trade do a victory and pretty much do it like that. But I'll get back with y'all in just a moment right before the close of the trade. All right, y'all. We're under 2 minutes right now, closing in on this trade. It's going pretty good, as y'all can see. Pretty much gonna be I had to dot some T's, dot some I's and cross a few T's, man, in the last simulation. So I had a few hiccups, you know what I'm saying? Just got out of whack a little bit, and that's what happens. Trying to press, and trying not to. That's the thing I'm really working on, not being able to press when I'm trading, because that's that'll cause you to do things that you don't want to do. That's not what part of your system or methodology. So one of those type deals. We're closing in on 30 seconds. Due to make 32.59.50 on this trade, so that's $3,259.50. So it's looking pretty good. As y'all can see, it's 39.62 trade. It been in profits for a while, so it's pretty good. Trade's over. Y'all not be able to see the balance, but trade's over. It won. Another binary option trade victory. If y'all been keeping track of my videos, I get a lot of victories. Don't get me wrong, I take some losses, but I get more victories than losses now these days. Just it's a matter of being patient at this point. That's the only thing I got to really work on as far as my trading goes. Trading, I'm good. Patience, woo. I'm running into some situations, but that's what I'm working on. That's what it's one of the things you got to do as a trader. But Alex Jenkins checking out, y'all.